On this video today, I'm going to be showing you a beginner-friendly method that you can use to make money with CPA marketing with zero experience and zero skills. The best part is that this method requires low investment and it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the offer that you can promote and a highly targeted traffic source that you can use to get many people to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details for you to make money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are many of them that you can join wherever you are in the world. You can join Max Bounty, you can join CPA Build, or any of them that you want. In this case, I'm using CPA Group because CPA Group is available worldwide, and the best part is that they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money. So if you don't want CPA Group, you can search for the others and then join. But in this case, I'm using CPA Group to show you the step-by-step guide that you can follow to make money with CPA marketing. If you join any CPA marketing network, what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. On CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find a specific offer that you want to promote. There are many offers on CPA Group that you can promote, but before you promote an offer, there are certain factors that you must consider. First of all, you have to consider where the offer is allowed, and then the second is that you have to consider the payout. Some of them have higher payout, some of them also have lower payout. So you have to do the research and then find out which of the offers have a higher payout and which of the countries are they allowed to be promoted. As you can see on your screen, all these offers are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. But one challenge is that most of them have a lower payout. So when you promote them using paid traffic source, you are not going to be making profit. So you have to find another country where you can get offers with a higher payout, so that when you use a paid traffic source, anytime you get conversion, you'll be making profit. There are many countries that you can select. When you click right here, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. There are many countries on this platform that you can select. As I scroll, a lot of them. Just click on any country that you want and then check the offers. If you find out that the offers have a higher payout, you can promote those offers. If you don't have a high payout, you have to select a different country. In this case, I have done the research ahead of time and I have found that in France you can get offers with higher payout. So search for France. Once you search for France, you can see it here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the offers are loading, so you have to wait for them to load. You can see these are the offers that you can promote to people who live in France. You don't have to promote the offers to any country apart from France. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see many offers. The first one, the payout is $23.10. That is the amount that you are going to make per every lead that you get. The second one, the payout is $1.37. That is the amount that you are going to make per every lead that you get. There are many offers. As I scroll, you can see the next one, you're going to be making $21.39 per every lead that you get. You can see many others that you can promote to make money. Some of them $22.25 per every lead that you get. Some of them 34 cents, 86 cents, 86 cents, 71 cents, $6.42, and many others. There are many offers that you can promote to make money. Another factor that you must consider is that you have to look at the requirement. You can see this offer, the payout is very high, $22.25 per every lead that you get. But your potential visitors, they have to enter their credit card details so that you can be paid $22.25. They have to perform the action on a desktop so that you can be paid. But one good thing is that if they enter their details, whether they are able to win the offer or not, you are going to be paid the payout here. So this offer is very difficult to promote because most people are not willing to enter their credit card details online because of security issues. So sometimes if you promote an offer like this, it is very difficult to get a conversion. But once you get a conversion, you are going to be earning a lot of money. When you scroll down, there is another offer that you can promote with a higher payout. Let me scroll down to show you. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $10.27. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter a PIN so that they can win the prize, and you are going to be earning $10.27. They have to perform the action on an Apple iOS. That is the requirement of this offer. This offer is very easy for people to enter their details since they have to enter a PIN code. So if you want, you can promote an offer like this. There are many of them. When you scroll down, you can see many of them. You can see this one right here. The requirement is pin submit and the payout is $10.27. So if you get a lead, you are going to be earning this amount right here. You can see the offers, the language is in France, so you have to translate them to any language that you understand. To translate them to English, just right click. Once you right click, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see translate to English. Click on it so that the offers can be translated to the language that you understand. Once you translate it, you can see the offer is claim your 500 euros gift card. That is what your potential visitors are going to win when they enter their details. So if you get people in France to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details to stand a chance of winning 500 euros gift card, you are going to be paid $10.27. If they enter their details and they are not able to win the prize, you are still going to be paid the payout here, $10.27. There are many of them that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see many of them. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. So just select the one that you like and then promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting the gift card. So let me scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards to the gift card. You can see this is the gift card. So I'm going to be promoting this offer. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in France to click on this link and then enter their details for you to make money. You can see the requirement is enter your mobile number now to get started. So the people who live in France, they have to enter their mobile numbers. Once they enter their mobile numbers, they are going to send them a PIN code. Once they are able to enter the PIN code, they can stand the chance of winning $500 gift card and you are going to be paid $10.27. That is all that they need to do. They don't need to purchase anything. They have to just enter their details to stand the chance of winning the gift card. Now once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source where you can get people who live in France to click on your affiliate link and then enter their mobile number so that they can stand the chance of winning the gift card, and you are also going to be paid $10.27. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is vim.com. This is the website vim.com. On this website, you can buy high quality traffic at a very cheap cost. The best part is that you can select any country that you want. They are available in many countries. So if you create an account and log in, you can select any country that you want and then promote your affiliate link to that country so that you can get the right people to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. If you want to deposit money, they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see a whole lot of them. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this website to advertise your affiliate link. To advertise your affiliate link, create an account. To create an account, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to enter your details so that you can get access to a free account. You can see you have to enter your email address, password, repeat your password, select the messenger. So if you want Telegram, you can do that. You can see Skype, Facebook, WeChat, Line, QQ, others. Any social media account that you want to link to your Vim accounts, you can do that. Once you have selected the social media network, click on I agree with terms. Once you click on that, you are going to select advertiser. Once that is done, click on create account. Once you click on it, you can get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to begin creating your campaign. To create a campaign, click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you are going to see a page like this. In my case, I have one active campaign, so I have to deposit money into my accounts. You can see it right here, zero balance. So I have to deposit money into my accounts so that the ad can continue running. If you want to create a new campaign, what you have to do is that you have to click on create campaign. Once you click on it, you're going to select the format of your ad. You can see they have push notification, pop under, in-page push, calendar push. Any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, I'm going to select push notification. Once you select push notification, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So type the name of your campaign. In this case, I'm going to type gift card. So let me type gift card, something like this. You can type any name that you want because no one is going to see the name. You are the only one who see the name of your campaign. So just enter any name right here. Once that is done, you can see target URL. You have to paste your affiliate link here. So come back on CPA group. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see title. You have to enter the title of the offer here. So you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, what you have to do is that you have to translate the text to French because the people who are going to be seeing your ad understand French. The offer language is in French, so you have to translate it back to the original language. To translate it, just right click on it. Once you right click on it, you're going to select translate to English. Once that is done, select detected language. As you can see, it has been translated back to its original language, that is French. Once you translate it, now you can copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it as your ad title. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see description. You have to go back on CPA Grip, copy and paste the description of the offer here. So come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see icon and image. You have to upload an image of the offer here. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. You can see this is the offer image. Put your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, select save images. Once that is done, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on upload image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Now you have to crop the image, so drag it and then crop it this way. Crop. Once you crop it, you can see this is the image. Once that is done, you are going to upload the same image here. So click on upload image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, you can see you can crop it the way you want. So just crop it the way you want. You can see this is the image. Just crop it. In this case, I'm going to crop it this way. Click on cropped. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see custom button. The next step is that you are going to enter your call to action here. If you want to type a call to action, you have to translate it to French. So you have to open a Google Translate. Once you open a Google Translate, you are going to translate everything to French so that your call to action will be understood by the people who are going to see your ad. So you are going to type here, click to learn more, something like this. Just a simple call to action like this. Once that is done, click here to copy the translated language. Once you copy the translated language, come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see status active. You have to leave it active because you want your ad to be active once the moderator approves it. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see traffic type. They have premium traffic, general traffic. Just leave it with the default. Once that is done, scroll down. You can see countries and byte. You have to select the country where the offer is allowed. So select Europe. Once you select Europe, you can see a lot of different countries that you can select. If you click on Asia, you are going to see a lot of different countries and then many others. In this case, we are targeting one country. We are not targeting the continent. So just clear everything. Once you clear everything, now you are going to search for France. So search for France. You can see France here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected France, the next step is that you are going to enter your byte. Your byte is the amount that you are going to pay per every action that your potential visitors take. If you enter any amount here, it means once people click on your ad, you are going to be paying that amount to this website. You can see this is the minimum byte. It is very low, and you can see this is the recommended byte. It is still very low. Both of them are very low, so just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select the recommended one. So you have to enter the recommended amount here, 0.0094. That is the amount that we are going to be paying per every click that we get. You can see reset custom byte for placement to default. So if you want to set it to the default, just click on it so that it can be set to the default. This is the default amount. In this case, I want the default, so just select it. Once you select that, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see total budget, daily budget, hourly budget. You can enter any amount that you want because you still have the chance to close the ad if you are not getting results. So let me enter $50. Once that is done, the daily you can enter $10. The hourly you can enter any amount that you want, but in this case I'm not going to enter any amount. Once that is done, you can see capping, impressing capping. How many times do you want a potential visitor to see your ad per day? So if you want them to see it once, you can select one. If you want them to see it twice, you can select that. I want them to see it twice, so you have to switch it on. Once you switch it on, you are going to enter 2 here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see smart optimization tools. It is not important, so just leave it. Once that is done, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see delivery method. You can see they have standard and distributed. Leave it with the standard. Once that is done, you can see targeting OS. That is the operating system. You have to select the operating system here. When you come back on CPA group, you can see it is allowed on Apple iOS. That is the operating system. So you have to go back and then select Apple iOS. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see everything is Android. Just scroll down and then select Apple iOS. You can see a whole lot of them. Scroll down and then select Apple iOS. You can see iOS mobile. So select that. Once you select that, you can see device type. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select mobile. Once that is done, you are going to click on it again, select tablet. Once that is done, you can see browsers. If you click on it, you can see the browsers. There is no restriction. It means it is allowed on all browsers, so just leave it like this. The next step is connection type. There is no restrictions, so just leave it with all connection type. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see a lot of customization. IPS, if you want to include that, you can do it. Browser language, you have to enter it. So you can see it is currently included. That means any language that you select here, the offer is going to be shown to people who understand those languages. So we are going to search for French because the offer is in French. Once you search for French, you can see French Canada, French Belgium, French France. So select French France because that is where the offer is allowed. Once that is done, you can see user activity. Just leave it with the default. Everything, just leave it with the default. Once that is done, you can see the age. In this case, I'm not going to enter any dates, so just leave it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see everything. Just ignore all these things because it is not important. Once that is done, you're going to click here submit so that your ad can be published onto the website. Once you click on submit, you can see well done, campaign was created successfully. So your campaign has been created successfully. You can see it right here. It is active. The next step is that you have to deposit funds into your accounts so that your ad can start running, for you to get people who live in France to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details for you to make money on CPA Grip. To deposit money into your accounts, you are going to click here add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see these are the various methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. They have web money, Pioneer, Capitalist. You can see wire transfer, and then this one right, I don't know how to pronounce it. So these are the payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. So what you have to do is that you have to enter the amount here. Once you enter the amount, you are going to click on proceed. Once you click on it, you are going to deposit money into your account so that your ad can start running, for you to get people who live in France to enter the required details for you to make money. The minimum deposit is $100. That is the minimum amount that you can deposit to this website. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money using this method.